So I had a friend tell me that she misses the like vlog or whatever that I used to do pretty often, that I have stopped. I just stopped doing all sorts of stuff. But I mean, I'm gonna try again for this day. It's the virus. What are we on? It's March 2020. This year has been kind of crazy. The virus got everybody up in a panic, in a rush. They all bought toilet paper for comfort, I guess. I live in Salt Lake City, and we had an earthquake the other day, but I never expected an earthquake in Utah. And that was strange. That was the strangest experience. I was in my upstairs and I just started laundry, and I thought the laundry was shaking the house a little bit, and then it started shaking more, and my immediate thought was like, is this an earthquake in Utah for reals? And it kept shaking, so I ran outside. Everything came rushing back to me, all the things they taught you or taught us in elementary school all came back, except we don't have any desks to hide under. Yeah, it's been a year so far. It's been a year. Anyways, it's just gonna be everyday life for me. The virus really hasn't gotten me up in a frenzy like it has the rest of the world. I'm not quarantined or anything. That sounds so silly. Nothing like that. Nothing too crazy here. But I mean, it's Utah. Nothing is ever too crazy, except the people. The people are the only thing that's making this even slightly bad. Or rather, just annoying. The people here make things very annoying. Anyways, let's go to the coffee machine. So one thing I really hate when I watch some of these videos, vlogs, or just anything where people are talking in the morning or afternoon, and then they just are like, oh, blah, 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 blah. Well, let's go get some coffee. It's coffee time. And then they go to a bunch of stupid shots of them making coffee in their, the French press. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. In all seriousness though, I hope everybody's staying calm, staying safe. All this craziness is going on in the world, and everybody's losing their minds about everything. What kind of year is this? I went to a different camera. I don't know if you could tell. Going over the footage, the worst lighting you could ever imagine. I thought I had it all figured out. It's stupid because I had this light here. So what the hell was it thinking? What was I thinking? Just gotta listen to some Russian rap. This song. Russian people are going through some shit. I don't think that song's made this year though. They're all getting wise to Putin. He's gonna, of course, become president forever, but they're getting wise to him. I guess that's a start. I don't know. It's so corrupt over there that I don't even know if the bands that are playing, that are talking about or talking against everything that's all corrupt, if they in fact got corrupted and are now part of the corruption. I'm not huge into this, but I see it a lot and I hear all these songs about it, but I never lived there, so I couldn't say. Backdrops, guys! Backdrops! You know what's another thing that I've noticed? Not about Russia, but with the Swedish guys on YouTube. They always end up talking like this. I don't know what it is. What is that? Somebody give me some insight, because I guess American does some weird shit that nobody else really gets. What do we do? What kind of silly voices do we do? I don't know. It's just one thing I've noticed on two guys. I've noticed two guys have done that. That's pretty. Mein Herz brennt. Huh. That didn't hit as hard. But it's still nice. Mein Herz brennt. It's one thing that I wish English language did, is more of the R rolls. You know? I forgot to do most of the middle of the day. But I mean, that's kind of what I do. Forget to do everything. Hey look, paper towels. It's money in the bank right there.